Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. The new Parliament building, which was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the historic 75th anniversary of the country's independence and is said to have cost rupees 20,000 crore, is going popular on social media following the release of footage on Wednesday showing water leakage from the roof in the Parliament lobby during a period of intense rainfall in Delhi. Congress MP Manikam Tagore was the first one to post this video on X of water dripping from the roof of a lobby into a bucket placed on the floor inside the new building. He said, and I quote, "Paper leakage outside, water leakage inside. The recent water leakage in the Parliament lobby used by the President highlights urgent weather resilience issues in the new building, just a year after the completion." Akhilesh Yadav, the MP for Uttar Pradesh, Kannauj and Supremo of the Samajwadi Party even requested the administration to move the remaining monsoon session to the ancient Parliament building. He posted on X, and I quote, "The old Parliament was better than this, where even the old MPs could come and meet. Why not go back to the old Parliament, at least until the water dripping program is going on in the new building constructed with billions of rupees." He further added, and I quote, "The public is asking whether the water leakage from every new roof built under the BJP government is a part of their well-thought-out design." The government's ambitious Central Vista redevelopment project, estimated to cost rupees 20,000 crore, includes the new Parliament complex, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated on May 28, 2023. Nonetheless, the Congress and a number of the opposition parties had abstained from the event. The new structure was developed at the cost of rupees 862 crore. Some videos also showed Parliament employees walking through water up to their ankles inside the Parliament building. The national capital experienced waterlogging in multiple regions due to almost 100 millimeters of rainfall in a single hour on Wednesday, causing the weather office to issue a red alert. This also resulted in the deaths of 9 people. Apart from Parliament leakage, around a month ago, water dripping from the roof was also seen at Ayodhya's Ram Mandir after 6 months of consecration. The water dripping was seen in the Good Mandap or hall just outside the temple's Sanctum Sanctorum. Despite with an estimation of rupees 1,800 crore investment and the grand inauguration by PM Modi, water dripping from Ayodhya's Ram Mandir roof called for an urgent maintenance. A similar issue occurred at the newly redeveloped Ayodhya Dham railway station, which was also inaugurated by PM Modi a month before the Ram Mandir consecration ceremony at an estimated cost of over rupees 240 crore. Water was found on both the ground floor and the first floor. According to the Indian Express, a worker said, and I quote, "It's difficult to drain it out all the water." The repeated problems with water leaks in newly opened buildings from the new Parliament building to Ayodhya's Ram Mandir and Ayodhya Dham railway station shows serious concerns about how well these places were built and are maintained. Despite spending a lot of money and having grand openings, these issues points to the urgent need for better supervision and accountability in public construction projects. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.